What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and in today's episode we are taking a look at a list of parts that can get you up and running within an hour to hit the trails in your Bronco for the weekend. So you just picked up your brand new Bronco and you got a group of friends that are heading out to the trails this weekend. But you want to stand out a little bit more from the crowd than everybody else. So what are you going to do? You're going to head over to rtrvehicles.com and pick up a list of products and get you up and going that weekend within an hour. Like with any vehicle, most of us start at the wheels. It sets off the vehicle, gives it that right stance, and serve a purpose at the same time. We have 17, 18, and 20-inch wheels in a +0 or +30 offset for your Bronco. You can choose from our RTR Tech 6 or EVO 6 wheels in either a satin charcoal or satin black. And if you're adding bigger wheels like we are with these 35-inch Nittos, you're gonna also wanna make sure that you have room on the back for that spare tire to go along with it. So this particular vehicle is outfitted with the RTR OEM tire spacer. It is a very easy install, which will raise your spare tire 2.5 inches, allowing you to fit up to that 35-inch tire. It installs using RTR provided hardware and mounting the OEM tire carrier back onto the vehicle using your OEM hardware. And since we are going to be hitting the trail with the Nitto 35-inch tires, we're going to want to make sure that we have a little bit more approach angle. This can easily be done by installing these RTR tubular bumper end caps for your modular bumper. All you have to do is take out one clip and 6 bolts that hold in the factory end cap. These two here on the end are just purely for added mounting locations, so know that this isn't going to be anything structural, but they will mount onto the RTR modular bumper cap. And while you're out there on the trail, if you want to bring yourself some extra gas or maybe some other accessories, don't worry, we have you covered with that too. With our RTR Molle accessory plate, you can mount this to the factory hinges. All you have to do is remove the factory hardware holding in the hinges, replace it with the RTR Molle accessory hardware, mount the plate, and you're ready to rock. You can now add your jerry can or any other accessory that you need for the trail. Another quick and easy install is the RTR footrest for either 4-door or 2-door. All you're gonna need to do is first disconnect the door harness, reaching up between the door and the body and removing this harness. Once it's out of place, this flap will close, sealing it tight so you don't have to worry about any water intrusion. Then you simply remove the 2 bolts holding in each door, which is done using a 13mm socket. And once that's out of the way, all you have to do is use the RTR supplied hardware to fasten it down in place. And up front, as you can see here, it's just gonna straddle this front brace, and this here is gonna be used as a stopper for the footrest. And since we're gonna be taking off the doors, getting a little dirty out there on the trails and having a little bit of fun, let's go ahead and throw in some RTR floor liners while we're at it. And just like that, in under an hour, we are ready to rock. I did this full build on this Bronco, and I did it, I wanna say, in probably about 55, 56 minutes. If you wanna check out any of these products that I have in this 1-hour install, make sure to click the link down below in the description to head over to rtrvehicles.com to check them out. While you're there, check out our gear and any other products that we have available for Bronco, Bronco Sport, Ranger, and F-150. Also, while you're down there by that description, go ahead and click that like button. Let us know how you feel about the video with a comment down below. And hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss anything coming up from myself or any of the other team members here on RTR Vehicles. Thank you for tuning in once again. I am Jordan Wheeler with RTR Vehicles, and I'll catch you on the other side of fun. Woo!